Now let's go back and take a quick look at the video library settings now, under Manage Video Settings. That will open up the video library in a new tab. We could click anywhere on this row. This is the video that we just uploaded for lesson 1, or we have a menu here and we can click Edit. At the top, we have our video preview, and right underneath is the thumbnail. This one has been selected by default. Similar to other video players, Thinkific recommends a 1920 by 1080 pixel image in a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. We can upload here. Let's select our file. Pretty simple, but we could design anything more in depth if we wanted. If you're transcribing your video lessons, you can typically download the .srt files. So I've done that for my first lesson. Let's find that. I'll select English here, and then once you save, you then can choose to enable auto show captions if you'd like. And if we come back up here, we can see these captions are displayed in the bottom third. And then we can also change the appearance of the player by always showing the play bar if we'd like, and we can change the player color. So if we toggle this, you can see that bar disappears on the bottom. I like to leave that on. And then we could change this to something a little bit more neutral, maybe just like black, to match our thumbnails. And then finally, if you want to see any summary statistics for your videos, that can be found in the video library as well. Now that we've updated this video in the video library, we can go back to our previous tab and we can save our lesson. And then we can always preview in the top right here. This will open it in a new tab, and we can get a sense of how our lesson looks and how our chapters and lessons are laid out on the left-hand pane. Let's close this for now.